guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and it is back to school day or time. Wait, when does school start? I'm actually not sure when school starts. I've just seen a lot of these back to school makeup videos, back to school what's in my bag videos and stuff. So I wanted to do my own. So I'm just going to show you how I created this makeup look. It's so simple, so quick. If you're in the rush, this is perfect for you. If you don't want anything heavy on your face, this is perfect for you. But before we get started, I would love for you guys, if you are new to my channel, to please subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos. I do upload in English and in Spanish every week, so please be a part of this little family. Of course, if you like my videos, which I hope you do. So yeah, let's jump into the tutorial. I wasn't gonna do all drugstore products, but when I was in school, I never wanted to spend a lot of money on makeup. I don't know why. I don't think I ever did. But I figured there would be a lot of beginners watching this tutorial since it's quick and easy and simple and still very pretty. So yeah, I don't know. I wanted to do drugstore products for you guys. Alright, you guys, I'm starting off with my bare face. I don't have anything but moisturizer, and I'm going to start off by using this e.l.f. Cosmetics primer. It's my first time using it, and it's Oil Control Primer Mist. I do get very oily around my nose, so I hope this helps a lot. And I'm going to like help it pretty much, like push it into the skin and then let it sink in before I move on to the next step. Next, I'm not gonna go with foundation. I'm gonna use a BB cream. This one's the L'Oreal Magic Beautifier BB cream. It's a little bit tinted. It's pretty much like a tinted moisturizer. It comes out looking green, but don't worry, it's not gonna stay like that. You just have to make sure you blend it out with your fingers, nice and even. The green just helps cover up any redness you have on your face, which is perfect for me, or anyone that gets any redness on their face for no reason. I love using a BB cream, especially if I'm not doing anything, like anything special. It's so lightweight in case you don't want any heavy foundation. I just want to cover up the redness. Especially if you don't have time to do a full-on face of makeup, use this. It's really quick. It's like putting moisturizer on. So I already put a little bit of concealer on my under eyes over here, and I used the Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer, and I literally just got a little bit with my hand or with my finger, and I'm going to just dot it with that finger, and then using another clean finger I'm gonna blend it out. I'm literally using a little bit because, I mean, if I were to go to school, I don't want anything heavy on my face. And I don't have dark circles or bags under my eyes, so I don't really need a lot. But I do want my eyes to be a little bit brighter, so that's why I'm putting just a little bit of this concealer. And this concealer is not so heavy, so it's perfect for that. Now I'm going to use this Rimmel pressed powder to set my whole face, and I'm going to put the same powder a little bit under my eyes to set the concealer. I love this Rimmel pressed powder, but oh my god, I've had so many problems because I don't like the packaging. The lid just like, it comes off very easily. It's already broken and it's so scratched up because I think, you know, I'm trying to get it, but the cap isn't there. But I mean, it is a good powder. And I'm going to get a smaller brush. I'm going to use this one from BH Cosmetics and just set my under eyes just a little bit because I did put concealer there. And it's important to set. Doesn't matter how much concealer you applied, you have to set it. Now I'm going to take this palette from NYX Cosmetics, and I'm only going to use this for the bronzer. I might use a highlighter too, but I don't know. I never use a blush because it's too white for me. I don't even know if it's a blush. I think it's a blush. Might be an under eye setting powder. I don't know, but I'm just going to use a bronzer, and I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics blush brush to apply that on my forehead, on my cheeks, and a little bit on my nose. I'm not going to contour. I'm just bronzing up my face. Okay, I wasn't going to, but I decided to use this highlighter right here. It's from the same NYX palette. I'm using the Morphe R37 brush to apply that. I don't even know why I'm applying this right now. I always like to do it at the end, the very last step, but whatever. Here's a little trick. If you don't want to look powdery, use a setting spray. Well, it's not a trick. A lot of people do that, but most of the people use it just to make the makeup last a long time, but it also helps to prevent your face from looking powdery or cakey. I am using the Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist, which is one of my favorite drugstore makeup setting sprays. Now for the brows, when I don't have time, I'm in a rush, or I just don't have time to do my eyebrows, because my eyebrows are like the one thing I like to take my time. When I don't have time, I use a pomade. I'm going to use this one from Covergirl. It's the darkest shade they have. This one's black. And I'm going to start by outlining my eyebrows from the bottom. And when I do that, or after I do that, I'm going to fill them in. I just pretty much brush them up. This way is so much easier for me because it doesn't take much time. It's very simple and easy. You can see that I'm just brushing, my god. To fill them in, I'm just brushing my hairs up and with just a little bit of the product. And then for right here, I didn't get more product, so I'm just going to brush it up like this. And then to blend it out, I'm going to use the brush side, the spoolie, and start brushing it to the side. But remember, everyone's eyebrows are different, so not every technique is going to work for everyone. And there you have it. It's not natural, but I mean, it's quick and easy. If you're in a rush, this is a way to do it. Let me just show you how I cleaned it up from the bottom. For that, I'm going to use the concealer and the Real Techniques detailer brush, and you can see that it makes a huge difference. This one's clean and this one isn't. This is the one thing that concerns me when it comes to doing my eyebrows. If I don't have time to clean them up with the concealer, I don't do my eyebrows at all. I'm going to bring the concealer down to my eyelid, and I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow primer, and it helps to cover up the little veins I have, and so my eyelid won't look so dark. I'm going to go back to this powder and set my eyelids. This is one thing I like to do sometimes. If you don't have an eyeshadow palette, or you can't find a brown eyeshadow, you can go into your bronzer just to put a little bit of shade back on your eyelids. But I'm not going to do that today. What I'm going to use is this palette from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is their Rose Gold Sunset palette. This is the first eyeshadow I'm going to apply. Well, the only one I'm going to apply on my eyelid. For that, I'm going to use the same brush I used to set my eyelids. I'm going to start by pressing it onto my eyelid, just like that, all over. And you can stop right there, but if you want, I don't like just having the eyeshadow just on my eyelid, so I'm going to take the tip of the brush and start blending it into my crease. This is a very simple, very quick eye look that anyone can do. Okay, now I'm actually going to go into this eyeshadow right here. It's the same palette. I just want the outer part of my lashes to look just a little bit thicker to kind of make it seem like I have a lot of eyelashes. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes. I love fake eyelashes. Really love, like, dramatic eyelashes are my favorite, but for school, I don't think they would just bother me, and I don't think a lot of people wear fake eyelashes to school. So I'm just going to put mascara. I'm going to be using one of my favorite mascaras, which is this one right here. It's from Maybelline, the Colossal something. The name always comes off on that one every time I buy it. I don't know why. If I wear mascara on my eyelashes, I would like for it to show and not just barely. I like to put a lot. So I decided I will be putting eyeshadow on my lower lash line and mascara on my eyelashes. I'm going to go into this dark eyeshadow again. I'm just going to put it right here, right on the very corner. I'm going to tap it on and then blend it out just a little bit because I want the darkness to just focus on the outer part. This makes your eyes look just a little bit bigger from that. And I'm going to use the same mascara for my lower lashes. I love how this mascara brushes the eyelashes. For the lips, I don't really wear lip gloss, but this one's a Lip Laqcuer from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I love the shade, and it goes so good with this look. And that is it for today's video. This is the final look. I love how it's so lightheaded. What? Lightweight. It's not heavy, it's not powdery. It's just, I think like this is perfect for school. Quick, easy, and so pretty. What do you guys think? Actually, I wanted to put a little bit of this highlight right here. Well, it's an eyeshadow. It's like a very gorgeous gold eyeshadow on my inner corner, just to give it a little pop. Today's shout out goes to Emily Daniels. Thank you so much for subscribing, for joining our little family here. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!